In this video, I'm going to talk about why Create Studio is the best alternative solution to the Doodly for making doodle videos. But before that, let me talk about why you should look for Doodly alternatives. So first of all, this is a really advanced software. You can also mix the tune videos with the doodle videos using Create Studio. You can also apply doodle effect on the videos using this software that Doodly doesn't allow. And there are also other number of small features. But the most important reason is the cost. For the Create Studio, the front end subscription is enough. You don't need to purchase any upsell. However, for the Doodly, $67 for the front end, and there is a rainbow add-on that you need if you want to make your videos colorful. Otherwise, there will be a no color to your videos. And there is enterprise, which is optional, so we are not going to include that in the cost. But Create Studio front end $67 deal is enough. So let's create a project inside the Create Studio and make our first doodle video. So I'll click on create new project, and I will change the resolution to 180p. You can also go with the 4K. However, if you're going to import your own images, then make sure it is in the 4K format, otherwise it is going to depixelate. So I will choose the green color and click on create project now. So this is your dashboard. So if you want to apply a doodle effect on the text, let me add a text here. So I will click on this T button and it will add a text here, and here you can change font family or you can upload your own one as well. And let's go with the colors, and I will use a gradient color. Create Studio also allow gradient color for text that Doodly doesn't allow. So yeah, that looks good, and you can add a shadow as well. I think that looks good anyway. All right, so if you want to apply doodle effect, just expand the text here, then click on this plus button in front of text and select the doodle. And now there are a lot of hands that you can choose. So I will go with this cartoon hand, and here you can increase or decrease the duration of for the doodle effect. And here is the total duration. You can also increase or decrease it. So that is for the text. Let's see how we can do it for own images. Okay, and by the way, you are also getting API of Pixels, which is a free stock media website. So if you want to import your own image, click on this plus button. I will import this image that is without background, and I will drag and drop here. So let me change the duration. So again, expand your image and click on this plus button, and here there is an automatic path of drawing, but you can also customize you can go with the manual way. So I will click on manual, then I will click on edit path, and if you want to add a point, you can do it with the help of shift plus control key. So let me zoom in. All right, no, let me remove this point. Clear path, and this drawing size is too big for me. Actually, I'm done. So I just increase the drawing size so it almost cover all the image. So I will click on finish, and let's see what we have done. Yeah, so what you can customize it as you like. So that's how you can also edit your path, and you can also do it for the videos as well that Doodly doesn't allow. So let me show. Just click import your own video. So I will import this video and drag and drop. So our video has been added, and I will expand it. Then I will click on this plus button, and again simple, there is nothing complex. So let's see how it is done.
Do you know the audio is the 50?
Yeah, see, you can increase or decrease the path. And there is another thing that is although totally a different topic, that is the studio. So I told you that you can also make tune videos using Create Studio. So you are getting a pre-made characters. For the front end subscription, you are getting total 26 characters, 8 3D characters, and others are Supreme characters. But if you go with their all access pass, that is a monthly subscription, you will keep getting new characters every month, and you will also unlock these characters as well. So let's see how we can do it for the Tom. So let me delete my video by pressing the backspace. So this is our character Tom, and if you want to, so if you want to do it for him, again, this is the doodle effect that you can apply. Let it keep do the automatic, and after the idle I will add a pointing. So let's see how it is done. So basically, Create Studio also allows you to mix Toon videos with the Doodly videos that Doodly doesn't allow. Actually, Doodly doesn't allow you to make Toon videos. So anyway, and by the way, you can also customize this colors of this text. So all you need to go to advanced after selecting this asset, then inside the replace color, click on add a new replacement, then color picker. So I will replace his shirt color. Not green, we can't go with the green. Okay, so this is maybe, so that's how you can do it for all your other characters, but his shirt color is also matching with his skin, that's why you are also seeing it turn into blue. Anyway, but you can also do it, and you can change the color. So there are a lot of other things as well. You are also getting a complete package of the emojis with the motion, not just static emojis that you can add to your videos. All right, so there are just drag and drop, nothing complex. And one more thing that I want to talk about is animation. So if you know about keyframe, the concept of keyframe, you can animate as you want. So maybe you want to change its position from here to here, or you want to rotate him, or these kind of things, you can do it. Just click on this plus button in the front of animation, and then these are the things that you can animate from a color, position, whatever you want to do. So I will for this I will select the position only, and here all you need to just provide initial and the final position. So here this is our initial position is set, but you can change it if you want to do. Let's do it here. Then our final position, so let's check it. Did you see? So that's how you can apply a custom animation. So yeah, that is for this video. And okay, so you are also getting a scroll stoppers. So basically, let me just show you what I'm talking about. First of all, delete this thing. So actually my internet connection isn't super fast right now. So what you can do, let me just show you. So I will drag and drop it here. Mainly it is, I think, made for the, let me change the resolution to Facebook, so now we can see in the full size. All right, so maybe what you can do, so you can change these things. Just double click on it, okay, and then you can upload your own image. Just click on this replace button, your business name, these kind of things, or place your own media. And then we have this effects. So these kind of things, as you can see, but in the front end subscription, these are limited. So if you go with their all access pass, then you will unlock all of them. Okay, so you can add just download or this emoji. So there are a lot of things. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any question or query, just let me know by the comment section. I will happy to help you.